Thanks for clicking. So today I am going to be opening up the pink bag. It's Ipsy. This runs $10.70 monthly. You got to think about the tax, sadly. And it's a monthly subscription. First in here is a very large card, a list of everything I got included. And at the back it says, "Swoon so hard." Oh! Just some extra information. We'll do another cheapy scroll through. Ooh, look at that. It smooches all day. Hello, lovely. Definitely Valentine's Day friendly. Ipsy. I got a Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay, and it's an exfoliating treatment. The full size of this little thing runs $42.50. It looks kind of pinkish, smooth, little gritty, but you know, it's clay, so that's what it's supposed to be. Smells really nice. This is not one of them nasty smelling clay masks. And you're supposed to leave this for 5 minutes before you rinse it out. You're supposed to use it 1 to 3 times a week. The little sample thing, I think it's just gonna be a one-hit wonder because there's not a lot to cover my big ass face. My face is tingling, so there's some stuff going on. I washed off the pink clay and my face feels a little bit smoother. It looks nicer. I think I look a little perkier. I don't know. What do you think? Look like 6 minutes ago. I could see its usefulness in the long run. I got a Luxy brush. Ooh. And it's Luxy Brush 243. It's for precision blending. So that's definitely awesome. Get to add it to my nice collection. It's soft but firm. And this runs $12. So that's a win in my book. This is a Wake Up and Go Eiko Mascara. Full size of this runs $26. Now that's an interesting wand. It's a little differently shaped, a little curved up. You know, your lashes curl with it. So that's always good. And I gotta say, having the wand curved this way works like a charm. And I've always had this problem with getting mascara on my bottom lashes. Usually it's like coating my lower lid with the mascara because I'm always going like this. Not this time. Like I just got the hairs, turned it around and just swish, swish, swish. Mascara, not on my skin. This curved wand is golden. It works great. This is like an aha moment for me. Back to the bag. A M.A.C Strobe cream. And it says that there are 3 different ways you can use this. You can put it below your foundation to give it a glow. Mix it in with the foundation or use it as a highlighter. Since I already have foundation on, I'm just going to use it as a highlighter. Just looks like a cream, honestly. It's disappointing. Let's see. I'm going to dab it a little bit over here, and pat it in. I can't tell if I just made my face really oily or if it's actually working. But I gotta say, it looks really pretty. I feel like I just made my face really oily. It's almost like I just wiped the foundation off of my face. Oh wow, I gotta say, I love this one. As a highlighter, it's there, but it's not there. Like, it definitely gives me like a natural glow. I like this. Holy moly, look at me. Doom, doom, doom. Even without the eyelashes, I'm doing it. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, M.A.C. It's called Pink Light. And I gotta say, I am very, very happy with how it looks. It's like super dewy and natural looking. It doesn't like come off as a color. I thought I was actually rubbing off the foundation, but no, I like it. This is like natural, doesn't like look weird, is idiot proof. Yes, yes, M.A.C, yes. So this runs at full price, $14. lastly, in the bag of goodies, I have a Laritzy Cosmetics Lip Gloss. I'm assuming this is full size because it's huge. And it's in the color Curve. And this is Laritzy. This is the color. It's like a blush pink. And this runs $16. I'm gonna swatch it before I put it on my lips. It looks kind of gross, actually. I'm like, ew. I don't want to put that on my lips. Okay, never swatching lip gloss again. It's making my lips glossy, which is exactly what it's supposed to do. It smells weird. I'm not a fan of the smell. It's definitely like coating and thick and doesn't taste like anything. It's the smell that's bothering me though. It's very light, so it's not like obnoxiously in your face, but it's not a pleasant smell. That's it for Ipsy, and I gotta say, Ipsy, yes and yes. I spent $10.70 on the bag, and I am very, very happy with what I got. As you can see behind me, I have a lot more boxes and bags to open up. So if you like what you saw, hit that like button, and if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.